Hello and welcome to a quick walkthrough of the Liturgical Calendar Spreadsheet. This tool simplifies your liturgical planning and saves you time and money. Let's dive in. If you're new to liturgical calendars, here's the basics. They map out the annual cycle of religious seasons, feasts, and readings for Christian worship. You'll find them as books, wall calendars, websites, or apps. But our spreadsheet, it's a game changer. No need to buy new books every year. Just enter a year and you're set with Sunday and weekday cycles. Let's explore the spreadsheet. The main sheet is called Sheet 1. Find the yellow cell, highlighted C2, type in any year and watch the data update instantly. It's simple, thanks to advanced formulas working behind the scenes. You get a clear, organized calendar in seconds. Next up is the API Developer Sheet. This is for tech-savvy users or developers. It lets you export the calendar data as CSV or JSON files, perfect for integrating into other projects or apps. Curious about how it all works? Check out the Golden Number Year sheet. This is where the calculations happen. It lists the Sundays for the year you entered on Sheet 1. Peek at it for fun, but you don't need to touch it to use the spreadsheet. That's the spreadsheet in a nutshell. It's user-friendly and cost-effective. Want to try it? Download it using the link in the description. And let me know in the comments, what features would you love to see added? I've also built a web app to complement the spreadsheet. No app store needed. Just visit the website, add it to your home screen, and it works like a native app. It's secure, with no sign-ins or tracking. Check the description for the link. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please like and share this video. It helps spread the word. To get the spreadsheet, follow the instructions in the description. And if you'd like to support more tools like this, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for joining me today. Stay tuned for more walkthroughs. Until next time, happy planning.